The Senville LETO series mini-split air conditioner heat pump features an impressive 12,000 BTU capacity, perfect for year-round comfort in any room. I have provided the link to this air conditioner in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. With its built-in Alexa integration, you can control your environment using your voice commands or your smartphone, whether you're at home or away. This smart capability makes it easier than ever to automate and personalize your climate settings without lifting a finger. Designed as a versatile 4-in-1 system, the Senville LETO functions as an air conditioner, heat pump, dehumidifier, and fan all in one sleek unit. Its inverter-driven compressor ensures precise temperature regulation and energy efficiency, helping reduce your electricity bills. With a CR2 rating of 20.8, it stands out as a highly efficient option, delivering strong performance while consuming less energy. Whether it's scorching hot or freezing cold, this unit can handle outdoor temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit minus 15 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable heating even in harsh winters. The system includes a full installation kit with a 16-foot line set and communication wire, and it comes pre-charged with refrigerant for up to 25 feet of distance between the indoor and outdoor units. A remote control is also included, adding convenience to your setup. Please note, while the installation kit simplifies the process, professional installation is required to ensure proper and safe functionality. Once installed, the unit operates quietly, making it perfect for bedrooms, offices, and even commercial spaces like restaurants or retail stores where noise disruption must be kept to a minimum. Backed by a 5-year manufacturer's warranty on both parts and the compressor, the Senville LETO series provides peace of mind alongside premium performance. Technical assistance is also available from Senville's support team to help with troubleshooting or product guidance. Stylish in appearance and compact in design, this unit blends well with most interiors while providing powerful air control. Whether you're upgrading your home's HVAC system or looking for a dependable solution for a small business, the Senville LETO series is a reliable and smart investment for year-round comfort and control.